In this video, 8S Steve puts a 4S brushless system into the dirt cheap HBX Transit. Will it handle the power? We got 8S Steve coming over with his brushless HBX Transit. Also, I've had a few people ask me about some advice about starting a YouTube channel. I've been doing my YouTube for just over a couple of years now, and I've been doing it full time throughout sort of like the past year. And a lot of you guys want to know what's involved, how much money you can earn and stuff like that. So have a look at the link down below, guys, and I'll go into it in a little bit more detail. So by the way, in this video, you're going to see 3 HBX Transits. This one here, and you can tell this one because it's got the standard wheels. This is as it comes out of the box, completely and utterly bog standard. Then 8S Steve, you'll be able to tell his one because he's put a set of Badlands on there. And then on my other one here, this one here's got locked diff. So this one's got a front and rear locked up diff, and you can tell that it's this one because I've put these bigger tyres on there that are all dirty. So hopefully that's going to save a little bit of confusion when you guys see these 3 trucks in this video, and you'll know which is which. Hey! Hi guys! You got Steve in the house. Here's my HBX Transit. And 8S Steve being 8S Steve, what you done to it?
4S brushless.
Oh, what are these? Badlands, different springs, brushless conversion. We can't see it, but we might have a look in there in a minute.
That is the standard battery, and it is normally really slow on that.
Standard battery, which is only a, is it Lion or something?
I'm not sure.
You know you've got to try it on 4S, didn't you? Hey! Backflip coming up. Oh! When in doubt, air it out. Hey! Right, now some first gear. You have to give it a little crawl test or something. Seems to be taking the brushless power away, isn't it?
Yeah. Did you hear it backfire then?
Oh, has it got the grip? Someone in the comments said, is 8S Steve a retard?
Yeah, I am.
What's the idea with these bits, Stephen?
These are for the Savage XS Flux. There's 12 scale. So, with a bit of fiddling about,
Oh!
we can make it even more different.
Take that cage off for that. It's going to look pretty epic, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
By the way, guys, check out 8S Steve's channel. Steve's going to be doing a review and a little build thing of this, doing all the brushless, if he ever makes a video. Alright, so we've built a little track, and what we're going to do, we're going to put 8S Steve's brushless one up against my bog standard stock one. He's even got a lock diff in here. This one's fully open. So we're going to compare what the difference is between an 8S Special and my standard one. So, first of all, we're going to come up this slope, over a slidey slope, down the slidey ramp, round there, over a little crawler section, then over there to take a run up, over the jump, and hopefully clear all this lot and over the finish line. Alright, 8S Steve's up first in the modified one. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh!
Yeah, it works.
Oh, he makes it down the slide. Oh, straight over. Oh,
Russell gets it.
oh, and he does it in 40 seconds. So mine should maybe be a little bit more nimble, but less power, no lock diff.
3, 2, 1, go!
This is probably the hardest bit.
It is, just getting round.
Oh,
Without falling off the end like I did.
oh yes. Oh yes, I got over it. Oh no, I've got obstacle.
Let her have it. Oh, I popped it.
I'm in. Yes, what is it?
Oh, 27.
Oh, I win. I win. I'll tell you what I do want to do though. I want to try my special.
2, 1, jump. Just rinses that bit.
I should do the crawler section so easily.
Oh yeah, like there's nothing there. But
Oh, what was it?
20.
Oh! Oh! We have a winner! Oh, straight over the rustler. Oh! Thankful. Oh, straight over, straight over. All right, so now this is in, what gear are you in?
I'm in low gear now.
Low gear. On this is sensorless, brushless. But look how slow it can still go. Alright, let's have a quick look inside ASD's brushless conversion and see what's going on. So there you can see the brushless motor, and here we have the ESC, which is 4S capable. Receiver's mounted up here, so that works with his Fly Sky radio. Alright, Stephen, what's going on?
Right, we've got Hobby Wing XE Run 110 SCT Pro thing down there, 120 amp, 4S capable.
Oh my god.
And a little Turnigy brushless motor that I bought by accident once.
Oh.
And it actually came in really handy.
How much are they?
I think it was about 12 quid.
Stephen, what are you doing?
Well, I think it might need a few more S's. We've got 3S,
Yeah.
but I've also got some 4S's.
Oh dear. Alright, 4S lipos in. Go on, balloon them babies up. What?
It's actually moving along the bench.
Should we get it outside, see how fast it goes? What gear you in?
Let's do a low gear.
Oh, what? Is that in low?
Yeah.
Popped it. Well, Steve, I'll give you one attempt to do standing backflip. If it explodes, I'll give you the parts. Nearly. I'll tell you what, I'm surprised the gears are taking it.
Oh my.
Oh! Oh! Bad lads making easy work of it. Oh my god! Oh, how could it almost done a double? Oh dear! Uh-oh.
Oh, what's happened?
Oh, he has broken it this time.
Yeah. Oh, that's all right. I've got more. Oh, it's like a little fit at home anyway. Oh, that's actually wedged itself.
It's on your ball link.
Yeah, that's all right. Pop the shaft out again.
Oh, what happened?
I killed it.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
Alright guys, that is it for this video. So I'm surprised how well that HPX took the power. With that 4S power in there, that's probably more than 3 or 4 times the power. And it took the power quite well. No broken diffs, no broken gears. It took it perfectly. We just broke a little ball link there at the end when he jumped it. That's just an easy little cheap little fix. And by the way guys, if you want to think about starting a YouTube channel, you want to know what's more involved, stuff like that, don't forget guys, check the link down below. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. Also there's a link down below of ASD's channel and where you can get a HPX Transit yourself if you're interested. Alright guys, see you soon. Get out of here. Bye.